sabi ng cat? Anong sabi ng goat? Me. Ano pong sabi ng bird? Very good. Where is your eyes? Your nose? Your tongue? Mouth? Ear? Hair? Hand? Feet? Very good. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Very good. How old are you? How old are you? 2. What is your name? What is your name?
Iya.
Say hi. You say hi. Hello. Bye.
Bye.